In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your open tabs even after closing your Chrome browser. This is one of Chrome's coolest hidden gems. It lets you continue right where you left off. So let's say you have multiple tabs open, like some people do when they swear they're being productive. If you close the browser and reopen it, you'll notice all those tabs are gone. But what if I want to close Chrome, grab a coffee, restart my laptop, and still have my tabs exactly where I left them? The good news is you can. Go to the top right corner of Chrome. Click on the 3 vertical dots. From the menu, go to Settings. On the left-hand side, find and click on Startup. You'll see an option that says Open the new tab page. That's the default. Change it to continue where you left off. Let's test it out. Right now I've got 5 tabs open. I'll set this Google search page as my main focus. Now I'm going to close Chrome completely. When I open it again, boom, all my tabs are back, just the way I left them. And that's it. Chrome will now remember your tabs every time. Let me know if it worked for you in the comments, and if this little trick saved you from tab heartbreak, give it a like and subscribe for more tips like this.